to see what the xTool brand was offering in the different categories. So the lasers and metal fab is what we're really interested in. And some of the other products, your Wonder Press, we're really interested in that also.
We started off 5 years ago as a hobbyist, just something to do, cutting boards, keychains. We have now expanded. We went the tumbler business. We engrave tumblers, we engrave glassware, metals.
Basically, we came to see the xTools and Smoky Hill Designs. We've done Smoky Hill for 4 years now that we've been in existence, and them having xTool here was a bonus. We just flipped over to buying xTool lasers from another company. I like the versatility of them and the use of them.
It's very informative. You get to do a lot of hands-on stuff, so that was helpful. The Wonder Press, yeah, that could be used for so many different things, including vacuum forming.
He showed me how to do AI on the laser, and he printed this on a coaster with using AI. So I thought that was really cool. I can't wait to get home and try it on my laser now.
Before we had 2 or 3 different lasers, the Ultra or the UV, it can do everything. And I'm also thinking that M2 looks pretty good. Keep up the good work.
You guys do amazing.